Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And I know I am posting after a very long time, and मेरा तो ऐसा हो गया था, I really wanted to quit YouTube from last month because something very traumatizing happened to me, and I think you guys know about that. And I am literally traumatized till now. I can never get over what happened to me this time, and this is just like one of the biggest childhood fear come true or something like that. And I really even can't believe that this really happened to me. So if you guys don't know, so my best friend is no more, and she passed away last month, and it is very scary feeling. And she was the one of the best part of my life, and I'm very thankful for that. But all this happened in so much hurry. I didn't get to see her in her last moments, and I don't know why this happened to me. And मेरे को पता था बचपन से कि I am the unluckiest person in this whole world, but I didn't knew that I'm this unlucky कि I am gonna lost my everything. Like, she was there for me from the first day we met till the last day she passed away, and I loved that girl so much, even though I love her right now, and I really want her to come back. And I really, you guys don't believe me, I text her daily to come back, and I was so dumb back then. In 2-3 months I literally tried to contact her from 1 month, but she didn't reply me. And I was so dumb ass ki I didn't try to reach her, and I just took everything so normally that this is normal, she's gonna recover. And I've never thought of this कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो जाएगा मेरी लाइफ में. ऊपर से we have spent so much time in this house, outside the house, in school, in the city where we live. So I am very grateful that I got her in my life. मतलब उसके जैसा ना कोई भी नहीं था. She was like वन इन अ मिलियन काइंड ऑफ गर्ल, जो सिर्फ मेरे को समझती थी. बाकी सारे लोग ना मेरे को डम्ब समझते हैं, बट शी वॉज द वन उस टाइप की गर्ल दैट शी गॉट मी. मतलब आई रियली लव दैट गर्ल सो मच, एंड आई रिग्रेट सो मच कि I didn't get to spend any time in her last moments. Nobody get to do that, even though I really tried to reach her, but still I got to know that she's no more, and then I reached her house. So I am the dumbest person in this whole world. And the last talk we had is about कि मतलब उसने ना in the after her chemotherapy there is some therapy called radiotherapy. So I texted her that why are you not talking to me? Like, we used to talk a lot, we used to video call each other, but कुछ 3-4 महीनों से we were not talking that much. So I texted her that why can't we talk? And she said ki she don't want to talk anyone, not even me. And I fucking dumbass got offended because of that, and I stopped talking to her. And almost 10 to 15 days हमने बात नहीं करी because of this, that I'm offended by her. And then I asked ki why you don't want to talk to me. Then she said I want to talk to my didi only, and I don't have that much energy to hold my phone and talk to anyone. And then I said okay, fine, whatever. So after some time we talked again, and after that almost 1 month हो गया था. I keep texting her what happened. She didn't reply me, she didn't reply anyone. And then suddenly इतना कुछ हो गया. I didn't even get to know what exactly happened, but this is the most traumatizing shit that could ever happen to me, and I can never get over this what happened. And I really want her soul to rest in peace and उसको इतनी अच्छी life मिले, उसको ऐसी life तो बिल्कुल ना मिले. She had been into too much in this life. She had treated like so badly in this life. I hope उसको बहुत अच्छी life मिले. उसके साथ अगली life में तो at least कुछ गलत ना हो. She rest in peace and she live her best life. So I just randomly started shooting. Like I wanted to shoot from a very long time, but things didn't turn out that way. Or which time say there were so many guests in my house and they also know Prachi, and we talked a lot about her these days. So I tried to shoot a video and I miss her so much. You guys have no clue. And I am not gonna find any other best friend in my whole life because no one can replace her because she was she. And yeah, I am not gonna act like she is no more. She's always with me. She is sitting here with me. Maybe I know she was in pain. I know she suffered through a lot and usko usse mukti mili. My parents say that you should be happy about that, but still, how can someone be happy in someone's death, right? And I have spent like the most of my life with her in this house, in this room. Like मेरे घर का एक एक corner अभी भी I like walk in my house and that nostalgia hits very hard that your best friend is really no more. And ऊपर से I am really a very introvert girl and I have never ever got anyone like her, and she's the one in million for real. And I have so many voice notes of her. I used to listen them at night. May God bless her with the bestest life she ever deserved, and I really want to meet her again. Yeah, this was my story. There is so much I want to talk about her. She was the only girl I always loved, to be honest, and I can never find a person like her. And I don't know, God always have to take pretty people out of this world. I don't know why. And I really can never get over this. What happened this time? 2025 was a real blockbuster shit for me, and it was really traumatizing year for me. I hope she's always with me, and if you're seeing me from upside, then I love you so much, Prachi, and I'm really sorry, I was so dumb. I just had a really bad breakdown right now, which is valid enough because I miss my bestie and it sucks so bad when you have the only one friend and she's your bestie, and it is the worst feeling in this whole world. I really loved that girl so much, and the people I love leave me always. Good morning, everyone. This is the next day, and the time right now is 8:23, and I just got a call from my father that I have to go for my driving class, and I'm learning driving these days. And my parents surprised me that I am learning driving. It's been 10 to 15 days and the course is about to complete in some days, and I'm quite happy about it. Like, I enjoy doing driving, but you know, I hate doing it too early. Like, I don't want to wake up and then directly go to, but there is a different timing for everyone. So I have to go sometimes for 7 o'clock, sometimes in the beginning I have to go in 6 o'clock. So it depends upon the person, how he or she learns driving, right? At night, I almost cried for 2 or 3 hours, and my mama didn't even hugged me for that. She came into my room and she just said that you are very over dramatic, you should stop that, let her liberal and let her be in peace. But what the hell, why are you guys expecting from me that I'll forget our 6 to 7 years of our best friendship in just 20 to 30 days? How are you expecting from us? If you guys think it's over dramatic, you guys will never understand until it happens with you. I touch wood, I don't want it to happen with you, but you guys can never understand that. I really don't want to go to driving because जो मेरा ड्राइविंग टीचर है वो बहुत अजीब सा है यार. वो मेरे को ना बहुत डांटता रहता है यार. मतलब मैं बहुत अच्छी चलाती हूँ गाड़ी, बट स्टिल ही ट्रीट्स मी लाइक शिट कि आई एम नथिंग. एंड जो पहले दिन जब मेरे ड्राइविंग का फर्स्ट डे था, मैंने बहुत अच्छे से ड्राइविंग करी थी. पता है, फर्स्ट डे पे उस बंदे ने मेरे को ड्राइविंग सीट पे बिठा दिया. तो जब मैं ड्राइविंग सीट पे बैठी एंड आई सेड भाई मैं ठुका दूंगी, अभी टाइम में मेरे को हटा दो यहाँ से. एंड आई ड्रोव सो वेल ऑन दैट डे. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से ड्राइव किया. ठीक है, जब भी मैंने स्टार्ट किया, आई स्टार्टेड बाय माई सेल्फ. फिर मैंने स्टीयरिंग घुमाया. मतलब हाँ, ही टोल्ड मी ऑब्वियसली, बट मैं नहीं ठोकी. एंड आई वाज सो शॉक्ड कि हाँ भाई मुझे पहली बारी में आ गया. बिकॉज जिस बंदे ने 100 सालों से गाड़ी की शक्ल नहीं देखी, मेरी शक्ल तो देखी है, बट आई नेवर ट्राई टू लर्न इट. आई ऑलवेज हेटेड कार्स सिंस वेरी चाइल्डहुड, क्योंकि मुझे ना बचपन से उल्टियाँ आती हैं गाड़ी में. सो मैंने ना कभी इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया कि गाड़ी कौन चलाएगा. स्कूटी इज़ द बेस्ट. सो आई नेवर ट्राई टू लर्न एनी कार. आई अप्रिशिएट हिम कि उसने मेरे को इतनी जल्दी सिखा दिया. मे बी शायद लोग नहीं सीखते होंगे जल्दी से, दैट्स वाई. बट आई नीड टू गो, आई एम लेट. Do you want to see the view out of my window? Like, it's so pretty. That is my school. I mean, that was my school, and this is the road. And so I am back right now, and I nailed it. I completely nailed the driving. मतलब मेरी ड्राइविंग तो बहुत अच्छी हो चुकी है अभी, बट स्टिल मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे अभी तक गाड़ी दे नहीं रहे ड्राइव करने के लिए. इनफैक्ट आई नो हाउ टू ड्राइव एंड मैं सबसे अच्छी ड्राइव करती हूँ. तुम्हें पता है, मैंने और प्राची ने प्रॉमिस किया था दैट व्हेन आई लर्न ड्राइविंग वी बोथ विल गो समवेयर in a very long drive and we'll do a picnic somewhere like हमारा प्लान था कि हम लैंडिंग साइड में पिकनिक करेंगे, but eventually things doesn't turn out that way again. I really miss her so much and she would be happy to see me like this. I know that I'm learning driving for her because she always wanted to, you know, hang around somewhere, कहीं घूमने जाना, a little picnic. and हमारा हमेशा सपना था, but I don't know why we are so unlucky, bro. So I am about to take a bath, which I don't want to take, but mom told me, so I have to eventually. I hate getting bathed, but still, because I'm so lazy. So I'm going to put on some music जो मेरे दिमाग से कल रात से है घूम रहा, वो वाला गाना बजा रही हूँ मैं. So it's The Night We Met and I love this song so much. This song represents the inner me and represents the love of me towards her, and I really want her back into my life, and this song is literally the same. The only traveler, take me back to the night we met. I'm supposed to do, and I can't tell myself. I had all and most of you, something out none of you. Take me back to the night we met. I'm back and I just took a bath and I'm back and I am like, मैंने अपना स्किन केयर क्या, मैं मॉइस्चराइजर लगाया अभी. So mama told me that we are going to a मंदिर again. हम 2-3 दिनों से जा रहे हैं मंदिर. What the fuck? So what I was saying कि हम लोग मंदिर जा रहे हैं कुछ दिनों से to pray for प्राची for her better life and for me also. I don't know why we are going, but I think कुछ सावन का महीना चल रहा है, so we should go there. शिव मंदिर है basically. I'll show you in this vlog, और that's why we are getting ready for there. So this is a face trimmer which I'm using like for 2-3 months, and मेरी friend ने एक recommend किया था मेरे को, so I'm using this one for trimming my face क्योंकि threading से बहुत pain होती है, even though मैंने कभी कराई नहीं है, but still. So I'm gonna use this क्योंकि मेरी मूंछें आने लग गई हैं इसलिए. So yeah, let's do this. नाक पे क्यों करती हूँ? I hope मैं अपनी eyebrow ना काट दूँ वरना I'm literally gonna die. I think it's fine. Yeah. So this is a lightsaber और इसको मैं अपने साथ कॉलेज भी लेके जाने वाली हूँ. Okay. This is the mandir. तेज प्रताप महाजगबन मैंने जोर से कहा प्रभु चरित्र ऊपर राजा और ऐसे मैं चलाने वाली हूँ स्कूटी. लेट्स गो.
सोच तो रहा होता बारिश जब लग रही होती तो लड्डू गिरते बारिश भी लगाते.
We are back home and I have to do my breakfast right now. So my breakfast is here and I'm gonna watch anime with it. So I'm gonna watch the anime which my best friend always recommended me to watch and forced me, but I never watched it क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. But it is actually good. It is One Piece and my best friend loved One Piece more than anything else. So we're gonna watch One Piece. By the way, खाने में मैगी है.
ये एनिमी है.
एनीमे होता है एनीमे.
They are criminal. कहाँ लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे इंग्लिश?
रुको. I think it is enough for today. Hi once again. So I think the video is way too longer than I expected, but it's fine again. So there is one matter I really wanted to talk about from a very long time, which is also regarding my best friend. So my best friend died on last month, as I told you guys. So I really want to share it with you कि there are my stupid classmates, some of the classmates who don't even give a shit about her death, even though वो तुम्हारी classmate है nursery से and till 11th, and they don't give a shit about that. Just then Prachi ki death हुई, they still keep on like putting on stories there to show off their so-called fans or something, and I don't think it's cool at all. Like, your classmate is no more and you're still putting on stories and you don't give a shit about that. You never did anything for her, right? So can you please stop putting on stories? She is no more and you don't give a shit. You daily update your status and Insta, but you can't show some sympathy to her. Or at least उस दिन भी वो लोग, they are still putting on stories and status in which the day she passed away, and that hurt me really bad and मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया था. I really wanted to do something, but again I'm no one to do that. But still, she was a classmate and you should do something. At least don't put the stories on that day. Show some little sympathy. Yeah, that is it. So I really am disappointed from some of my classmates, and I really hate them, and I don't regret saying this at all. And I'm very happy that I'm moving on to a new city, to a new culture, rather than staying here. And I really am missing my bestie so much, and I really want to meet her. And my mother says कि जो soulmates होते हैं वो कभी भी किसी भी रूप में मिल सकते हैं. So शायद I'll met a chubby girl in my college or anywhere else. And I love you, Prachi, so much. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. Like if you want to, share if you want to, comment if you want to. I'm not gonna force anyone. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.
Do you remember the day when